Jonathan. I repeat, Jonathan.
Acknowledged Father. For what purpose do you call me to attention?
Have you been consuming particles of glucose in secrecy while not being under my supervision?
You are under the pretense that I have, Father, however that is not the case. You have misjudged me.
You would dare fabricate this falsity that you have not consumed the glucose cubes to your own father?
I must repeat, paternal figure, that the claims you have just stated are most untrue.
If you are not telling untruths, and you believe that you are in the right, please present your oral cavity, Jonathan.
Sound proceeding from the vocal cords that indicates amusement ×3.